Welcome to the Automation 2025 show. I'm Gary, and I'm here with a company called DWFritz. We provide precision automation solutions for many different industries, including aerospace, medical device, automation, as well as battery operations. This today we're displaying is a robot where we're playing a game called Race the Robot. It allows the user to come up and choose to compete against the robot by moving this device through a coil without touching the coil. The robot has been designed to most efficiently and effectively do this at many different speeds. What this is demonstrating is it's demonstrating the fact that a robot can be deployed within your automation areas. You might have certain areas where it's very important for the precisionness of something to be done, right? That maybe a person can't do it, but a robot can be trained and programmed to do exactly that. And it can do it 24/7 because you program it that way. So it'll be time savings as well. So this one allows you to do, you choose the instructions of the game, you choose the level that you want to participate at, slow, medium, or fast, and then you will compete with the robot. So here we go, we hit the green button, and here we go. Now with the robot, it will make no mistakes. With a human, we might make a few mistakes, and every time it honks, it is. But if I'm able to get this done with minimal mistakes, then I might win. All right, so let's see what the robot does, how I did. But see, the mistake, or the robot goes much slower, but it never made a mistake. So in this case, we won. Now I can play this at a faster level or even faster level. And what that would show you is how fast the robot truly can go without making any mistakes. So let's choose the highest level and I'll compete there. Holy cow, look at that robot go. Not even a chance, right? So this just shows that robots have their place in the manufacturing world. Thanks for listening.